Number 5 rider. All right, one on moon. Kateri prospect right
on,
there.
Hannah.
When I say prospect, I mean these are the kind of horses everybody wants. Great job of training here. Right by Hannah Howe. All right, Kentucky Cowgirl going sideways, reaching out, pulling the right under. Oh yeah, beautiful turn, picking up the correct lead. I like the preparation. I like the approach. Okay. Oh yeah. Uploading the discipline of great horsemanship right here. This is Hannah Howe. Outstanding work. Man, talk about tough. Look at this little pony just going to the ground right up under it. All right, she's got that rope out already. I guarantee this ain't her first rodeo. Oh yeah. She's on course for a great run, guys. How about that? Chuck Jones saying thumbs up. That's a good catch. All right, around the bend she goes. Great horse. And coming on right now to the mogul and the drive. Here we go now. Reach down. Grab that leg rope. Going to the horn. Showing the workability of this horse. Oh yeah, sure is shooting and smooth as a dealer in Vegas. This cowgirl's got it going on. Look at that approach, Walter.
Yes, doing a very nice job here. She is definitely after the hunt for that buckle. Getting right on through the gate.
And loping over the top of that. Did you see that? You talk about control. Now she did take the horns down, but wow, she was loping it. She's loping again. All right, squeeze box, high quarter. Shut it down. Now roll back. A little scotch out there on that one.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Could have been a little better stop. Here it comes again.
Yes.
That's what we're talking about. All right, through the squeeze box one more time. All right, headed to the spin box. Trying to rack them up and garner those points that will take her to a world championship. Oh, look at the turnaround. Oh, young horse.
All right, looking for that big stop. We're going to get one, and they go out to claim their time.